Hey, this is Larry Powell. I got this quick video together for you guys. So what I'm going to do today, I know you guys had mentioned on Facebook that you don't have a website up. You weren't really doing anything to pay to promote your company. So what I wanted to show you guys today is just a website, just a sample, kind of what you guys could do for your business and how you could use that to generate new leads for your business. They're going to look at what some competition is in your area. What you guys would have to do to pass up that competition in order to really get this generating leads for you. So first off, this is a website I actually built for another person out of the residential remodeling subs group. And this is his site. So just to kind of give you a couple things on why we do what we do and how we do it. Contact form up here near the top is very important. What this allows you guys to do is it really increases your conversions once people do come to your site. So as people are coming through looking for somebody to come do, a bathroom remodel or, whatever service you guys are wanting to offer, me as a consumer, I'm really looking for the business that is the easiest to get a hold of, the easiest to come out there and give a quote for me for my project. So by having this up here near the top, it just makes it a little less where they have to search around your site for getting that information over to you. Click to calls are also super important. So if I click on this, it'll automatically connect with this contractor. And then content. So there's three things we really look at when determining which site has that top spot. The first one is content. So there's over 200 different ranking factors Google really looks at, but the big three is content, backlinks, and citations. So for content, you really want to shoot for anywhere from between 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage. And then you also want to make sure you have the search terms you want to be found for within that content. So with the search terms for you guys, Chicago bathroom remodelers, this is getting 200 searches per month, or Chicago bathroom remodeling. This is getting 200 searches per month. So that means 200 people every month are typing into Google Chicago bathroom remodeling. That's your ideal client. So those are the kind of search terms you guys would really want to target on your website. So you could do, Chicago kitchen remodeling, or anything along those lines. Chicago kitchen remodeling companies. Those are all going to be search terms you guys want to go after that will generate a lot of new search traffic for your business. And again, you want that to be about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content total on this homepage, and then obviously you would have your service pages as well. And I usually do anywhere from 500 to 750 words on these service pages. So looking at Chicago bathroom remodeling, everybody knows how to use Google, but I like to give you just a quick rundown of exactly what we're looking at here. So this is what's known as the GMB, or Google My Business. This is very valuable territory for your business to be in. Obviously, you guys aren't based in Chicago necessarily, so you would need to use a Chicago address in order to get this, but you could build one of these out in your city as well. One of the biggest factors for how you get your business into this is what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can put these on directory sites like Yelp, Yellow Book, even a Facebook page. If you list that information, these can all count as citation sources. And there are ways of getting addresses in the Chicago area if that's not something you guys have access to. We actually have a tool we use called Whitespark. And what this allows us to do is go through and see the different citations that your competition has, so you can match those, because we really want to do, beat our competition out in every way possible. So we can see that Punch List Bath and Home Remodeling, which was the top ranked one there, that they have 33 citation sources, and then Chi Renovation and Design, they have 19. What's cool about this is we can actually go through here and see the exact citations they have. We can copycat these same citations. So it makes it really easy for matching what your competition has and then doing more than what they have, because there's tons of citation sources out there you can get for your business. Another big factor for how you get your business into this is your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically in these search results also plays a lot of weight in being in this top three. Organically, as we're looking at this, we see that Home Advisor is in the top spot. And that's really not a problem for us. I know everybody says, oh no, Home Advisor, they're such a big company, but Google really prefers to rank a well-optimized small business owner's site over these large national sites like Home Advisor and Yelp. So really your top competition that we have to worry about is Chi Renovation. So looking at their website, we can see on this page, they have some content on here, but not a lot. They're probably about 750 words of content total on this. So not a lot of content on here. And then looking at the next one after that, we have I don't even know how you pronounce that. So we have this website, Stratagem Construction. So this is more like a blog post that they did. And they do have a little bit more content on here. I would say probably somewhere around 1,000 words of content, but still not a ton. So, you know, content-wise, it'd be very doable to pass these guys up. So now we're going to get into backlinks. And the best way to describe what a backlink is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. Excuse me. It's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the most popular kid in school, and we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And website B really wants that popularity vote from website A. And so what happens is when website A finally gives that to him, it makes website B look much more popular in Google's eyes, and it brings them up in the search results much faster. So for you guys, you'd really want to go after backlinks, you know, kind of relating that to real world. You guys want to go after high authority, so high popularity websites where you can get these backlinks from, preferably ones that are relevant to the home remodel industry. So if you guys were to get a backlink from, you know, a home remodel blog or something based out of California, where I'm out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight than if you guys were to get a backlink from like your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So the relevancy behind these backlinks is really what's going to set you guys apart from your competition. So we can see that these guys have 7 backlinks from 4 different websites. They're ranking for 24 keywords, and they're getting 198 people per month to their website. What's also cool about this tool is we can actually go in here and see the exact search terms they're ranking for. So we can see Chicago Bath and Remodeling is getting 200 searches per month. Chicago Bath and Remodelers is 150. And both of these have really low competition, so it's not going to be too difficult to get you guys ranked for these. Chicago Bath Remodeling, 150 searches. Bathroom Renovation Near Me, 300 searches. So there's a lot of opportunity for you guys just looking at bath and remodeling, and this isn't even touching on kitchen remodeling at all. Looking at your other competitor here, looking at their back end of their site. So they only have 1 backlink going to their site right now. So very low competition from them. Keywords they're ranking for, we can see, you know, a lot of the same. Bath and Remodel Chicago, Chicago Bathroom, 40 searches. So a lot of low competition in a lot of this stuff. So just to kind of summarize everything one more time. First off, website. You know, make sure you have the content on there. Content is king. It's one of the easiest things to do for your business. It really sets you apart from your competition, really sets you up to rank well in Google. Make sure your site is built to optimized and ready to convert customers. So contact forms that are easy to use, click to call buttons are going to be awesome for you guys. Looking at GMBs, so if you guys don't have a GMB already up, you know, definitely getting one up for your guys' current location. If you guys are interested in other locations, that's definitely something you could do as well. There are ways of getting these addresses. And then citations. So citations, pointing those, your name, address, phone number at that GMB, getting it ranked, and then getting high quality backlinks to move up your organic listings or organic rankings and move your website up into these top spots. That's going to give you guys 2 spots where you can be claiming a lot of new leads coming in. So if you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. Love to help you guys out however I can. Thank you.